Okay, so we're going to do a little more desensitization with some nail gun blanks and a pistol. Now, I don't have a halter on her, but I do have just my reins around her neck. Now, if she goes off and she wants to go off, I have control around her neck, but I'm not really going to work her off of anything else. So, she's been pretty good so far, but I'm going to let her go if she goes to freak out. Cock my gun, and firing at the ground. Very good. So what we do on one side, we do on the other. Letting her see it, putting her nose on it. Now I'm gonna let her hear it, and I'm gonna see it puff. Little bit, but really not much. She might just make a good little cowboy mounted shooting horse someday.
She might.
She might. She's a good girl.
I think you're empty.
Yep, I'm empty, but that's okay. Desensitization with the pistol. 22 nail gun blank. It's just gonna make a little pop. She heard it. She didn't really know. She did pretty good for her first time. Thank you for watching today's video. If you'd like to see more videos, please click on our playlist. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe.